Do you need to remove the keyboard Palmrest assembly from your Inspiron 16 Plus 7630? Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Next, unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the Wi-Fi antennas and slide out the wireless card. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the input-output board cable. Now unsnap the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Next, unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard cables. Next, disconnect the speaker cables. Now disconnect and remove the speakers. Now unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the LCD cable. Then disconnect the DC jack cable. Next, unscrew the left hinge. Now unscrew the right hinge. Then open the LCD display assembly and separate it from the Palmrest. Now remove the DC jack. Disconnect the left cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove the left cooling fan. Then disconnect the right cooling fan. Unscrew and remove the right cooling fan. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the input-output board cables. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Then unscrew and remove the input-output board. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Now unscrew and remove the touchpad. Next, unscrew and remove the power button board. Then unscrew and remove the power button. The remaining piece is the Palmrest keyboard assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.